Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. Under the hood we have a 5.3-liter V8 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in black. It looks great. You got that GMC badging with your projector-style headlights and your fog lights down there with your tow hooks. And coming around the side, we do have our Continental brand tires with our 20-inch rims. They look great. You do also have your exterior mirrors hanging out right there, and coming all the way around to the back, we got our 6.5-foot box back here. Looks great. You got that Sierra and the GMC as well as your backup camera. Open this guy up. Lots of room back here. Looks fantastic. Painted in the same color as the rest of the vehicle. Gives you tons of space to haul. Okay, we have our keys here. 2 pressed to unlock, 1 pressed to lock, and you got your panic button down there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all here. Handle here. Another handle here with some storage and some more storage down here with the water bottle holder. Looks great in here. The seats are very comfortable, very nice and comfy. You do also have the controls over your trailer brake here, your controls over your 2-wheel, your auto, your 4-wheel low, and then you also have your controls over your lights here, so your auto, your off, your daytime running lights, and your low beams, as well as your in-cabin light control here. And then we do have the controls over our turning signals, as well as our high beams and windshield wipers. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and our engine temperature. We also have our oil and battery there. Now we can switch that around a little bit we have our trip, we also have our fuel range, average fuel economy, we do have our tire pressure, as well as the remaining oil life, transmission fluid, trailer brake, engine hours, you got your units, and then you can have it say nothing as well. You do also have your cruise control options right here, horn in the center, and your gear shift right over here. When you are in reverse, you have that ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. It is a 7-inch touchscreen display here, so you do have your radio, so you have your AM and your FM, as well as you do have your gallery, your phone if you have one hooked up through Bluetooth, your settings, and your OnStar there. Now, you do also have these buttons down here, so you have your home, your skip, your volume up and down with the power. You have your phone options there. You have the power up and down for the climate control, AC. You also have your circulation, where it's going to blow out of, your defrosts, and the heat there. Traction control and the light for the back. You have a little bit of storage right there. And then in the center, you do have your 3 cup holders with your armrest. It doubles as a storage container. You do have a USB and aux cord plug-in right there. And then you do have another seat just underneath here, so it does seat 6 people all together. Over here, we do have a dual-layer glove box, top layer and bottom layer, and it is a locking glove box as well, keeping things nice and safe. Let's take a look in the back. Open this guy up. On the door, you have that same accenting on your handle. You have the control over your windows. Handle here, some storage here, here, and here. Looks great back here. Very spacious, nice and comfy on the seat. Same material as the front. You can also fold this up just like this. Then you got even more room under there if you did need to haul something around. And there's our 5.3-liter V8 engine. Well, that does it for my walk around video, the 2018 GMC Sierra 1500. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself or take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.